Are you ready to elevate your YouTube game? In this quick tutorial, we will explore how to add to a draft on YouTube Shorts in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, mastering this feature can help you enhance your content strategy and engage your audience more effectively. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. If you have not downloaded it yet, head to the Google Play Store or App Store and grab it. Once you're in, log into your account and look at the icon or plus icon at the bottom of the search. There is where your journey begins. Select Create a Short, tap the plus icon and choose the Create a Short. This will take you to the Shorts camera. You can either record a new video by holding down the capture button or upload existing video from your gallery. After recording or uploading, you can personalize your shorts, add text, music, and filters to make it pop. Click on the AA for text options and add sound for music. Now here's where it gets interesting. After editing your video, you have the options to save it as a draft. This is perfect if you want to polish it further before sharing it with the world. And just navigate to the visibility settings, select Save as Draft. Your work will be sorted in your account, ready for you when you are set to publish. When you're ready to go live, head back to your draft, select the short you want to publish, adjust any final details like title and description, hit upload and watch your creations come to life. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add to a draft on YouTube Shorts and ensure that your content is always top-notch before hitting that publishing button. Remember, consistency is key in growing your channel, so keep creating and engaging with your audience. We found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech tips. Happy creating!